How's it going? My name is Peter Marson. I am a sophomore at Vermont Technical College studying construction project management. I'm going to be graduating 2021. For my project, I have decided to show the benefits of running a cloud-based project management software, and this will be designed to replace the classic paper trail filing and documentation methods. So first, a quick agenda. I'm going to talk about a couple of the needs. So there's a couple needs, like a need to get rid of paper trail. Then we're going to talk about what I'm doing with this project and what Procore is all about, how it works and how to use it, a quick budget for a small residential company and what it would cost for them to transition from the paper trail to a management software. And then I'm going to open it up to some questions. So first, there's the need to choose a respected, updated communication software. So first with this quote, Procore was ranked #1 based off adoption rate. It is one solution to maintaining a more efficiently run construction company. Out of a total sum of users for the top 10 construction software products, 26% of users are using Procore, followed by Buildertrend and Papertrail. Buildertrend is 12%, while Papertrail is 27%. So what that is saying is that out of the top 10 management softwares, the 26% of users using management software are using Procore. The next highest one would be the rest still using Papertrail methods, and then after that would be Buildertrend. So Procore is the #1 used management software. The next need would be the need for instant documentation updating. So when a change is made to the plans, it needs to be updated immediately. So with this quote, the application also has a feature for creating, managing change events, and organizing RFIs, managing schedule with different tools such as Daily Log, Gantt charts, Calendar View, or integrate with Microsoft Project, Primavera, or others. So basically what this allows for is the app, it is constantly updating. Anytime there's a change, everything is refreshed and the most recent copy of every document is put towards the top. It is also compatible with other softwares such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Primavera. You can upload those documents into Procore and access them from Procore, and you can send them from Procore to other places. Next would be jobs. The next need would be job site collaboration. So this would be the owner, the superintendent, or the general contractor, superintendent, and all of the employees or the subcontractors. That would be them working together. Procore provides users a way to collaborate on projects and view documents such as submittals, RFIs, contracts, schedules, and drawings. So everybody is together in the loop. When there's a change, everybody receives the notification. So a quick description, this project is based upon the conversion from Papertrail to a cloud-based management software. So with this conversion, the company will be improving job site organization. This can improve the schedule and budget. Schedule would be, it takes less time to get information. It sounds crazy, but calling someone on the phone to get an answer on a question of a change versus seeing all of the documentation of the change on an iPad or on a laptop before your eyes and being able to access that adds up over time. It also improves budget because mistakes that could have been avoided are more easily avoided. Yeah. How does it work? It properly and promptly updates and alerts the appropriate parties. So based off the user's profile status, this will determine whether that person should be notified or alerted. Say there was a change to a bathroom on a project. Immediately, the plumber and any other contractors that should be notified would automatically be sent an email with a quick copy of the update, and the drawings would then be replaced with the most up-to-date copy. This is different versus having to have the most up-to-date copy of the drawing printed, replacing the out-of-date copy on the drawing page, and then making sure everyone makes the effort to come in and see the change and not act off of their old personal set of outdated plans. So Procore allows everything to be in one centralized location. And also, this program can be run pretty much anywhere. You can do quite a few different things with Procore, anything from logging all the way down to sending emails. So with logging, you can log things like manpower, deliveries, visitors, accidents, invoices, etc. You can, if there's anything that happens on a job site, it has to be recorded, it has to be billed for. Most owners in construction will tell you that nothing is free and therefore everything has to be accounted for. You can also view all of the following from anywhere with a cellular signal or a Wi-Fi connection. You can view drawings, specifications, contract information, schedules, which that could either be a short-term, 1 month, quick look-ahead schedule, or you could look at the long-term schedule from the entirety of the project. You can also send and receive RFIs and RFQs, which would be a request for information or a request for a question. And this allows a quick and speedy response based off questions. You don't have to pick up a phone, make a conference call. You don't have to chase people around, play a quick game of phone tag. It's as simple as, we have this question right here about, for example, this lighting. We thought we chose this one. This one is currently installed. Here's a copy of the drawing, where it is in the building. Could you comment on that? And then that could be sent out to the architect, versus calling the architect on your cell phone and trying to describe it all to him over the phone. It's a much easier and smoother process. Which this also leads me into my next thing you can do with Procore, which is email. You can link your personal or work email inside the app, and you can send and receive construction documents as email attachments. So any drawing, any piece of spec, anything that loads as a document inside the app can be sent around and discussed upon with other people. So I have prepared a quick budget. This is based off a small residential construction company that would be having 12 employees using Procore. That would be 6 field carpenters and 6 project managers. One thing to note, the price of Procore is based upon the size of a company. It is anywhere from $15,000 to $25,000 a year to run their software, so I chose the median, $20,000. Their pricing is based on a quote. So first, we have ordered 12 iPads at $459 a piece, totaling $5,508. We've then ordered 12 field computers, which are Lenovo ThinkPad E580s, which are $611 a piece, totaling $7,332. Next, we have thrown in the average cost of Procore, which is $20,000, and total being $20,000. And finally, we have added in the payroll for the training of the employees that will be using Procore. Procore takes roughly 2 to 3 days to begin running, and the wages and lost time would have to be accounted for as an overhead. So each employee working receives approximately $30 an hour. Over the 4 hours per project manager projected, that would be $120 per person, and totaling $1,140 in payroll. Add this all together, you get approximately $34,280, or approximately $35,000. Now, like I said, this is based off a small residential company. The price changes based off the size. What's needed for Procore? Procore can be run on the Android system. It can be run on the Apple operating system. So it can be run on any smartphone, any computer, any tablet. It can be found in the App Store and downloaded, and is an on-the-fly way to view construction documents. So next, for my conclusion, Procore, its job is to cut down on job site miscommunication, errors, things being installed not correctly or to an outdated manner. It's used to improve job site communication and to speed up job site communication, hopefully getting answers faster, asking questions And yeah, it's also used to provide one centralized organization hub for information. Anybody on the project can access this and pull information from it. Now, what type of information you can access will be limited by your user account, but basic information can easily be attained by anybody. And finally, it's used to prevent foreseeable errors on site. So a miscommunication in a drawing with an outdated plan or etc. This can all help cut down on that. And here are my sources. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me at pjm02260@vsc.edu. Thank you.